Here the question is from NET 2017, and in this question it is given that for the root mean squared momentum of a particle in ground state of a one-dimensional simple harmonic potential is P0 or P0, then the root mean squared momentum in the fast excited state is option A P root P0 root 2, option B P0 root 3, option C P0 multiplied by 2 divided by root 3, option D P0 multiplied by root under 3 by 2. So for solution of this question, let's solve this question. As we know, the expectation value of a squared momentum operator, that means P square, for nth excited state, can be expressed in the form of a squared momentum operator is equal to m omega h cut divided by 2 multiplied by 2n plus 1. This is our equation number 1. For ground state, expectation value, the expectation value for a squared momentum operator will be R P naught G squared will be m omega h cut divided by 2, and it is multiplied by 2 into 0 plus 1, that is equal to m omega h cut divided by 2, and the average value of momentum operator, that is P0Z average, is always 0. It is irrespective of its state of excitation. The RMS value value of momentum of the ground state can be expressed in the form of P naught RMS will be under root P naught G square minus P naught G squared. Now if we substitute the value of P naught G squared, then we will get its value as m omega h cut divided by 2 minus 0 under root, that will be equal to under root m omega h cut divided by 2. Similarly, for fast excited state, the value of n will be equal to 1. In that case, we can find the squared root momentum operator, that means P1G squared will be equal to m omega h cut divided by 2 into 1 plus 1, that will be equal to m omega h cut divided by 2 into 3, or in a simple way we can write P1G squared average equal to M equal to 3 divided by 2 M omega H cut. Now the average value of P1G square is again 0 because the average value of momentum operator at any state is always equal to 0. So the RMS momentum of the first excited state, the RMS momentum of first excited state can be expressed as P1G, P1 RMS, not G, P1 RMS is equal to under root P1G squared P1G minus P1G square. So that will be, now we can substitute the value of P1G squared, that will be equal to under root 3 divided by 2 M omega H cut minus 0. So our ultimate value of P1 RMS means RMS value of momentum operator at first excited state, that will be equal to under root 3 divided by 2 M omega H cut. Now we can write this as root 3 under root M omega H cut divided by 2. But previously from this equation we know that P0 RMS is equal to M omega H cut divided by 2. So we can substitute the value of P0 RMS in this equation. So we can write this equation will be equal to under root P naught RMS. So our result of this equation becomes P1 RMS is equal to root 3 P naught RMS. Now if we analyze our question, then we can see the exact value for average of momentum operator is matching with option number B. So our option B is our correct option. B is our correct option.